Good morning, adventurers. I'm here in the Boundary Waters Canoe Area. I stayed here overnight in my car. There's a couple of campsites here. I'll show them to you. But today, we're going to be starting our adventure off on the Powwow Trail. Alright, so I'm not actually in the Boundary Waters yet. I'm in Superior National Forest. But there are a couple other campsites here. There's one right here. There's a fire pit over there. There's one over here. There's a fire pit up on top of this little hill here. And then I just pulled over back here. I didn't need a fire pit. I just was sleeping in the car. So I drove up here last night. Got here at about 11:30. It is now 6:30. I am getting my bag all packed up, eating some breakfast, and we're gonna head out. Okay, we are off on the Powwow Trail. It is a chilly morning and a grim outlook for this weekend. Or not this weekend, but this next couple of days. It is 55 degrees right now. I think the high today is supposed to be 60. I think the high this next couple of days is supposed to be 60. Lows in the mid 40s. And it's supposed to rain every day. The rain is supposed to start today, anytime now. It's supposed to start this hour. I've felt a couple sprinkles here and there, but I'm hoping that I'm just gonna pray that I get lucky. Please, please, let the rain skip me. This is a 30-mile lollipop loop. So there's about a mile and a half, I believe, 2-mile stick, and then there's a 28-mile or something, or 26-mile loop we're gonna do. Also, you might have noticed I'm wearing a new, I think I have showed it once before, but it's a Frog Togs rain jacket. I have the whole suit. I brought the pants too, because all the rain. I also brought my poncho because I need something that can cover my backpack, because if you've been watching the channel, I have some fibers coming out of my Dyneema on my backpack, so I think the waterproofing might be a little compromised. So if it starts to rain really hard or gets too wet, I might have to throw on the poncho that also covers my backpack. But I'm wearing the rain jacket now because it's a little cold. It's a little chilly this morning. Keep me warm. And it's supposed to start raining any minute now, so I might as well just have it on. That's what I figured. But this will be the first time I've really put it through the test. I think the last time I used it was when I was at the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. And I didn't really do any real hiking. I just kind of wore it in the rain for a little bit. And now we're going to put it through its paces. Also, I didn't mention, I weighed my backpack. It's 24 pounds. With water and everything, all together, 24 pounds. We've reached the campsite here on Isabella Lake. Let's go check it out. Oh, this is actually a really awesome campsite. That water access is beautiful. Let me put my hood up here. There's a couple of great tent pads. There's 2 great tent pads. There's plenty of space for hammocks. And it looks like there's actually more space over here for more. So, it's kind of right on the trail, but it looks like there's another spot there, maybe another spot here. And it's right on the Isabella Lake flowage. Check this out. Okay, so I was a little confused here. This is Isabella Lake over here. And this is the Isabella River flowing out. That's not actually a lake, that's just part of the river. A wide part of the river. Awesome. Ugh. Okay, so I found a Snickers bar. Laying on the trail back there. A ways back. I'd say probably about 3/4 of a mile far back. So I picked it up and I hiked the 3/4 of a mile, and then I wanted to check the time, so I grabbed my phone and it was missing. So I went on an adventure to find my phone. He was back where I picked up the Snickers. So I had to hike back the 3/4 of a mile to get to my phone. Then I hiked back here, just got my backpack. This sucks. Oh. My Frog Togs rain suit here. At first it was great. I loved it. It was keeping me warm. It was keeping me dry. But I think it's starting to wet out. For those of you who don't know, wetting out is where waterproof things get too wet to stay waterproof. So like this rain jacket, it's gotten so much rain on it and it's so wet that it's just soaking through. So it's getting me wet now. So yeah, it was probably a good choice to turn around and head back. So we got about 2 more miles to go. Here's a good view of the leftovers from the 2011 fire. All the dead, broken trees all over the ground. And that's kind of everywhere, and the whole forest is just filled with fallen trees everywhere. And then the baby trees all growing up out of it. So just about everywhere is just big trees falling down, burned trees that died and fell over, and then all these baby trees growing up in between them. Alright folks, made it back here to the car. Changed my clothes. Well, I didn't change my pants, but so my legs are pretty much soaked up to the knees. I have a big wet spot on my crotch. It looks like I peed in my pants. I don't know why the pants would wet out right there, but that's weird. But yeah, those Frog Togs rain suits, they work pretty well for a little while, but they seem to wet out pretty fast. But yeah, it's kind of a bummer. I do this to have fun, and I wasn't having fun, so easy call there. I'll have to try again when it's a little drier and maybe a little warmer. The Powwow Trail. Anyway, we'll have to try it again sometime. Thanks everyone for coming with me, and I'll see you next Monday right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.